Oh shit, what a mess I've made. Listen folks, I've just made this. Yeah? Caramel, underneath shortcake, like biscuit. Made myself with flour, sugar bar, caramel with condensed milk, light brown muscovura, part of a sugar, aye, butter. That was for the caramel. But guess what's coming? Yeah, you guessed it. What goes on top? You're right, pal, you're right. You're right, pal. Tell you that for once. Yes, I've done it all myself. Mum's been hiding. Was want nothing to do with it. No mess. Right, so you guessed it. Point to you for guessing it was dun 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 chocolate. Chocolate. I don't know if I'm too early, but like caramel might still be a bit hot, a bit soft. Okay, what? Who cares? Ah shit. I'm not selling it, kid. Unless you want to buy it. You're going to need it if you want to fucking taste it. Anyway, sorry about the swearing. I shouldn't really swear on my cookery shows, but I kind of feel like Gordon Ramsay sometimes, you know. I'll fucking cud ya. Anyway, as you see, chocolato. I would like the bowl, but nah, maybe when I was 10, I used to like my ma's bowl. a fucking chocolate. Oh no, that's too soft. Oh no, I fucking can't eat it. Oh, I made a nurse yet. It's sinking in. Fuck. But hey, it should all work out. I mean, I'm not selling it, Ken. That's what I'm putting in the shop window. That chocolate. It's not cooking chocolate. I don't do cooking chocolate. My ma used to buy the cooking chocolate. It's crap. It's not even chocolate. It's just chocolate flavour. Chocolate flavour crap. Get the real chocolate. By the way, I didn't care if it was too dear for her back then, but maybe it was. Maybe that's why she got the cooking chocolate. Maybe it was cheaper. I don't know. But it was nice, kid. It was. You go on with it. You go on with it, like Ken. You just fucking. It was nice. You didn't get better, eh? And then you get wiser. You get older and you get wiser and say, wait a minute. That's not even chocolate they're trying to sell us here. You know that shop cooking chocolate, aye? Cooking flavoured chocolate. Or cooking chocolate flavoured. Or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, that looks quite fucking. Oh. See my plastering skills coming in. Oh, that's what I wasn't. I'm not kidding, by the way. You probably can anyway. What goes about there? Ha! Anyway. You can do something like that, Ken. Just a couple of wee fucking tools and that. Just get a bit of fucking character, eh? Get your own wee touch, Ken. Well, that'll be ready in about an hour, maybe 2, I would say. There you go, if you want the recipe, you can who you ask. Aye. Fucking Google. That's where I got it. I think Mum's coming back. Maybe not. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Did it cost much actually? Yeah, probably cost me about 50 quid. 50 quid. Yeah, but spoon looking. Right folks, I'll come back to you once I cut it into squares and do the taste test. Okay? And over.